Shri Jairam Bhai Patel Institute of Business Management and Computer Applications. Some believe in perfection, some believe in success, but we believe in excellence. As unveiling excellence leads to the saga of achievement. Aspiration ignites excellence in pursuit of ultimate destination. Desire is the key to motivation, but its determination and commitment to an unrelenting pursuit of your goal. A commitment to excellence that will enable us to attain the new heights. Excellence is doing ordinary things extraordinarily well. Excellence cannot be achieved overnight. It is unveiled day in and day out. The will to win, the desire to succeed, the urge to reach our full potential unlock the door to personal excellence. The tradition of excellence is a guarantee of future excellence. Leaders are not always born. They can be made too. History stands testimonial for this fact. Shri Jairam Bhai Patel Institute of Business Management and Computer Applications, formerly known as National Institute of Cooperative Management, was promoted by Gujarat State Cooperative Bank Limited in 1995 at Gandhinagar, with the prime objective of providing excellence in higher education in the field of management and information technology. The SJPI campus has a cutting edge as it provides students conducive environment for not only academic excellence but also to excel in all aspects of management education. The sprawling campus of 25 acres has state-of-art premises with well-planned classrooms, library, computer labs, along with well-maintained hostel facilities for both girls and boys within the campus. National Institute of Cooperative Management was established in the year 1995, with the first batch of MBA rolling out in 2001. It is a philanthropic organization created for imparting quality education in management and computer field. The late Shri Jairam Bhai Patel was an eminent personality in social, economic and political fields. He dedicated his life in the field of cooperative management and education. He was famously accoladed as a real cooperator. This institute is a brainchild of our beloved founder, the late Shri Jairam Bhai Patel, who has promoted and nurtured this institute with great vision. Management has renamed postgraduate centers of this institute as Shri Jairam Bhai Patel Institute of Management Studies and Computer Applications in 2008 to show gratitude and respect to this visionary man. Prayer is a key to a good beginning, and the day here begins with the blessings of Goddess Saraswati. 120 young minds having diversified thoughts in finite questions hopes to get answer and their excellence unveiled. Streamlining thoughts and minds of young management aspirants commences on the very first day by the captain of the ship himself, Director Dr. S.O. Junare. Awaken questioning is the prime motto of every faculty member of SJPI. Classrooms provide the sound platform for satisfying the students' queries. Spark of enthusiasm ignited by Director Sir is further catalyzed by the faculty members of SJPI. We encompass classrooms well equipped with integrated AV systems, OHPs, LCD projectors and multimedia facilities, which anchors the knowledge and skill development among the students throughout their learning process. Apart from academics, faculty members of SJPI play an important role in motivating students to be successful managers and, most importantly, humble human beings. Faculty members inculcate students a sense of looking at things differently and to adopt a unique approach. Man's flight through life is sustained by the power of his knowledge. Precious education imparted by faculty members, along with library blessed with more than 18,000 books, help students to project their thoughts in an effective manner. Swami Vivekananda was very stringent about the place he had to select in his path to eternity. We believe a spacious reading room could bring out the qualitative works from the students. Learning is not bounded by any limits. Group discussions are illustrative ways to enhance reasoning and polish the communication skills of the students. The students brainstorm on burning corporate and social issues on a regular basis to develop insights into the same and to work out the analysis and solution with the help of management principles. Horizons of knowledge are expanded when knowledge is shared. Presentations depict self-learning, sharing, and self-confidence. To have know-how and to remain intact with the changing world, it becomes inevitable to update our knowledge. We are facilitated with a well-equipped computer and internet lab. Knowledge without practical implications is rootless. Management events provide launchpad to coincide theory with practical. The experience of having bird's eye view of corporate world is reflected in our projects. An intrinsic task of combining analytical, communicative and technical skills boost up the overall development as a manager. The management here is committed to fulfill its social responsibility by providing necessary environment to nurture the talent of the youth and provide necessary skilled management professionals to the corporate world. The faculty members of SJPI are from various areas of intellect and key functional areas of professional management in order to mentor the disciples with individual attention. All work, no play is not a work. Life at SJPI is much more than academics. It hardly ends within the classroom. Few stones are left unturned here. Courage to work, play and look up to the stars, and the eagerness to spring forth in every aspect of life is what constitutes the culture at SJPI. The college strives to attain balanced growth of the future managers by emphasizing on both curricular and co-curricular activities. and culture help to unfold the latest talent of individuals and open up new horizons of their personality. They help to make them socially and emotionally balanced. At SJPI, we work on it. It's a place where lots of dreams emerge. Emerge with a strong sense of determination. Determination to prove our mettle and compete with the best. With the power of belief and the passion to explore new dimensions of success. We, the management warriors, gear up for the future battle. We have a student-initiated placement committee that works in tandem with the faculty members. The placement committee acts as a mediator between the recruiters and the students. Questions prevailed. Questions are still there, and questions will always be there. How many more? But now, we are capable of answering majority of them.